All right, we're gonna give the rundown on the 2007 Ford Expedition on all of the little quick checks and fill up parts you can check out on it. So first thing, you probably have to take that giant cover that's here off. Might need one of those. Once it's off, just leave it off because it's a pain in the butt. It's better if you're gonna work on your own. You don't have to deal with that thing. So, windshield wiper fluid, oil fill. That's where you put your oil when you fill it up. Put your funnel in there. You got your power steering fluid. Open that up. You have a little reservoir in there. Also got your oil dipstick. You also got your brake fluid. Them are pretty universal in all cars. You're gonna find them in the far right corner up in your under your hood. Antifreeze. You can feel that, and then it's got little marks on the side. Just go fill to that level and you should be good. And that's really all of it in the front. The transmission, oh my God, it's a nightmare. You gotta go down underneath, and that'll have to be a different video. And it takes a crazy bolt to even get to it. So you gotta go underneath there by the manifold. So I don't know if it's worth doing. But for the meantime, we check that out. You can check that out whenever you get your car underneath the hood, take a peek at it. Make sure you like, subscribe. Put any comments at the bottom if you have any questions. We'll get back with them and answer them, because that's what we do. Until the next time, we'll talk to you later. Bye.